Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit paper money onto your Cash App account. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I will recommend you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell icon to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Cash App paper money deposit option is actually one of the coolest features Cash App has had to release. Yeah, so it means if you have liquid or you have cash actually as it is, you can actually go to a deposit location that actually accepts Cash App deposit. So if this location is a participating retailer or a location or merchant, anything, you should be able to deposit your cash into your Cash App account. So it is more like getting money from your wallet and thus placing it into your digital wallet. So if you aren't aware of the charges, yes, it actually comes with a fee, and this fee is actually a $1 processing fee that is collected on each deposit. This fee is actually collected on the amount you deposit. So let's say you are looking to deposit, like, let's say $50 into your Cash App account. Cash App will deposit, the retailer, the merchant actually will deposit $49 and $1 will be collected as the processing fee. So that's how the fee system actually works. So if you actually want an exact amount, let's say you want to deposit exactly $30, you need to provide the merchant or the retailer with $31. So the $1 will be collected as the processing fee. So guys, I hope you understand how this fee system works, and if you do, it means we can proceed to the next steps. So guys, to deposit paper money into your Cash App account, what you have to do is you open your Cash App as it is here, you go to the banking tab, and here you just have to scroll up until you find the deposit paper money. So if you have verified your Cash App account, this feature should be automatically available for you. And if you haven't, I will recommend you to verify your Cash App account to benefit of this convenience. So what you have to do is just click on this option, the deposit paper money option, and you follow the prompts that are going to be outlined in that feature. So guys, that is how you deposit paper money into your Cash App account. It is as easy as this, and for your convenience, it's always good to know the deposit location, so you will actually know where you can go to and be sure you're going to have to deposit money into your Cash App. So here are the deposit locations. For your convenience, I'm going to provide a link to these locations, to this page, in the video description. So guys, make sure you check the video description for this useful link. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, if it was actually helpful for you, don't forget to click on the thumbs up to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't done so. So guys, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.